In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access your Lovable projects for 2025. This guide will help you navigate the steps needed to easily reach and manage your projects on the Lovable platform, saving you time and effort. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is visit the Lovable website. Simply open your favorite web browser and type in the URL lovable.dev. Once the homepage loads, you'll see a variety of features and details about the platform. From here, it's time to log in to your account. Click on the login button, usually located at the upper right corner of the page. Enter your credentials, including your email and password, to sign in. If you have any trouble, make sure your email and password are correct, or utilize the Forgot Password feature for a reset. Once logged in successfully, you will be redirected straight to your dashboard. Here you'll find all your projects neatly organized. This dashboard is essentially the control center for your projects. Whether you've created apps, websites, or templates, everything is listed here for easy access. Now take a moment to locate the projects section. You'll see either a grid or list view of your Lovable projects. Each project card will display useful information such as the project name, the last edited date, and the current status, showcasing whether a project is in draft, published, or live mode. This overview allows you to keep track of your projects and quickly identify which ones need attention. Ready to dive into a project? Just click on the project's title or its thumbnail, whichever catches your eye. Doing so will open the project editor, a rich environment where you can enhance your creativity. Here, it's possible to make changes to your design, add animations to bring your project to life, integrate additional functionalities, and when you're ready, publish or export your project. This editing suite is designed to give you all the tools you need to realize your vision. Navigating the Lovable platform becomes straightforward once you're familiar with these steps. Remember, being organized and keeping your projects updated will help you manage your work more effectively. With this walkthrough, you should feel confident in accessing and editing your Lovable projects swiftly and with ease. By following these simple steps, you'll soon be able to master the art of managing your projects on Lovable. Thank you for watching, and feel free to explore more tutorials for further guidance and tips. Happy creating!